kind of like the fact that it's an ongoing training, because you learn new skills, you stay updated with the current trends, and it enhances your abilities. So I kind of like the training they offer at First Credit Union.
We offer quite a bit, actually. There's like online courses that we take, and then there's also in-class training that we take.
There's 5 classes that you can go through in order to get fully trained to be a member service representative when starting off as a teller. And from there, you learn so much about the different departments and positions that you can be involved in.
One of the trainings I just took was the CLP class, and that teaches you about loan officers and home equities and collections, so you get a broad understanding of what other departments do.
We have an awesome training team that takes you through step by step, process by process. That way, when you do join your team or your department, you're 100% ready to go.
It's nice that we can do it all for the members as well as ourselves. It just feels like you've accomplished a lot and you can do a lot more.
Every day you're learning something new to get you to that next step in your career with them.